Neurons are an example of a specialised cell, and like all animal cells, they share some common features but have some structures unique to them which enable them to carry out their specific role in an organism. If you look at this picture here, you can see the features they share. This includes the nucleus, the cytoplasm, and the cell membrane. In addition to these features, they have some unique features to them. The first of these is the axon, which is an elongation of the cytoplasm and is insulated by a fatty sheath, also known as myelin. It is along the axon that an electrical signal is propagated. They have tiny branches called dendrons that transmit nerve impulses towards the cell body. Dendrons branch further into dendrites. The function of the dendrites are to receive signals from other neurons. A bundle of neurons together is referred to as a nerve. There are 3 types of neurons that you will come across. The first of these are the motor neurons, which carry signals from the central nervous system to effectors. Effectors are muscles or glands that carry out a response. The second type of neuron are sensory neurons. These carry signals from sense organs to the central nervous system. And finally, the relay neurons. They pass messages between neurons in the central nervous system. Hi, my name is Mr. Science, aka Salim. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe, and for more teaching resources, you can visit my website at www.mrscience.co.uk.